Prince Harry has been scolded by Burley after his high court legal battle over police protection at its first hearing. The first hearing the Duke of Sussex claim against a Home Office decision not to allow him to pay for police protection for himself and his family while in the UK took place at the High Court on Friday. But Sky présenté que Burley suggested the Queen, 95, already has enough on her plate. The Sky host tweeted, "Oh Harry, is your grandmother not having to deal with enough, young man?" .ms Burley post comes in the wake of Prince Andrew's civil sex assault case and the alleged cash for honor scandal that has engulfed Prince Charles Foundation. William and Kate broke royal tradition with Prince George, never going to happen. Prince William and Kate, Duchess of Cambridge broke from royal tradition when they had their first child Prince George, royal expert Victoria Arbiter told a documentary. The Duke of Cambridge reduced royal fan to tears this week after keeping his promise to a grieving schoolboy. Deacon Gover, 11, confided in Prince William last month about how he had been struggling with his mum's death. William comforted young Deacon and passed on his own experience of tragically losing his mother. Young Deacon was wearing a Burnley FC shirt at the time, belonging to the team's goalkeeper Nick Pope. Prince Andrew in line for windfall from taxpayer effigy the Royal Lodge. Prince Andrew could be in line for a large windfall from the taxpayer if he is forced to of with grace and favour home in Windsor, it has emerged. The 2005 National Audit Office report says the Duke is entitled to be repaid for asset livres. 5 millions refurbished funded after moving into the Royal Lodge in 2003. It comes if as growing cold to leave the 31-bedroom house after he settled the case with Virginia Giuffre earlier this week. The National Audit Office report says the Royal cannot gain financially from any increase in the value of the property and the cash would be pumped back into the Crown estate. But it states he would be set to receive compensation in respect of the refurbishment costs. Queen still wants to mother Prince Andrew to get the whole thing over. The Queen still wants to mother Prince Andrew despite his recent ban from conducting royal duty, a royal expert has claimed. Prince Andrew has been embroiled in a civil sexual assault case brought against him by Virginia Giuffre. The Royal vehemently denies the accusation made by Ms. Giuffre, who claimed to be a victim of Jeffrey Epstein. The Queen is now said to be torn between being a mother and monarch after the Duke of York settled the sexual assault case that was leveled against him. Prince William had me major royal change ahead of 40th birthday, big year for him. Prince William's 40th birthday goal revealed by a source who says the future king is trying to strike a balance between being a good role model and relatable but also being known as the people's prince. Royal US Press Center Christine Ross and Christina Garibaldi discussed Prince William's looming birthday and what celebration might be had for the Duke of Cambridge. While it is rumored the Queen will host him a big party to mark the milestone, Ms. Garibaldi discussed comments made by a royal source who explained Prince William's mentality for the event. The source claimed Prince William was excited to start a new chapter in his life before explaining what a goal Prince William has set for himself. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry to play a major role in Prince Charles coronation. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry are tipped to be heavily involved in Prince Charles coronation despite stepping back from royal duty 2 years ago. Members of the public would assume that after moving across the pond and stepping back from duty, Meghan and Harry would be ruled out of playing any significant role in the crowning of the next monarch. However, as the son and daughter-in-law of the new king, they hold incredibly significant positions. As a result, Harry and his family may be encouraged to take part as much as they like at Charles' coronation and will be involved in either photo, according to royal commentator Christine Ross. Ms. Ross claims that the heirs to the throne, Charles, William and George, will be placed prominently at the ceremony, and their families alongside them. Prince Andrew decision on Prince Philip Memorial show where the line is. The Duke of York could be denied access to the service of Thanksgiving for Prince Philip despite reaching a settlement in principle in his civil suit, a commentator has claimed. Prince Andrew reached an out-of-court settlement in the civil sexual assault case brought against him in the US by Virginia Giuffre earlier this week. Andrew vehemently denied all of the accusations made against him, but they have seriously marred his reputation. While Andrew has cause to celebrate he turns 62 today, February 19, the Duke also faces the prospect of being banned from his father, the Duke of Edinburgh memorial service next month. A Thanksgiving service for the late Prince Philip will be held at Westminster Abbey on March 29, and lawyer Mark Stevens claims it is very unlikely that Andrew will be there. Sophie Wessex extreme distress as she felt she was letting the side down. The Countess of Wessex felt she was letting the side down after a friend went behind the royal's back, according to a documentary. Sophie and Edward have proved themselves to be hardworking, dignified royals, as well as being remarkably approachable too. They carried out just under 400 engagements between them last year, the fourth and fifth most engagement in the firm. While Sophie is undoubtedly the pride and joy of the firm now, she enjoyed a particularly difficult start to royal life, explored by Channel 5's 2020 documentary Edward and Sophie, The Reluctant Royals. Long before she began dating Edward, Sophie had been working for Capital Radio. She went on a 1988 business trip to Spain with Capital colleague Chris Tarrant and his co-présentée Cara Noble. However, Ms. Noble sold topless photographs of Sophie to the Sun for a reported 400,000 livres, alongside a series of other photos from the trip. Just weeks before her 1999 wedding, the newspaper published the photo. Sophie's close friend and former employee, Brian McLaurin, told the documentary that her reaction was one of distress, extreme distress, and that she felt betrayed. Prince William had me Major Royal change ahead of 40th birthday. Prince William's 40th birthday goal were revealed by a source who says the future king is trying to strike a balance between being a good role model and relatable but also being known as the people's prince. Royal US presenter Christine Ross and Christina Garibaldi discussed Prince William's looming birthday and what celebration might be had for the Duke of Cambridge. While it is rumored the Queen will host him a big party to mark the milestone, Ms. Garibaldi discussed comments made by a royal source who explained Prince William's mentality for the event. The source claimed Prince William was excited to start a new chapter in his life before explaining what a goal Prince William has set for himself. The royal journalist said, getting some reporting how Prince William feels about turning the big quarantine a couple of months. A source tells Us Weekly that William is excited about this new chapter in his life and the challenge he'll be facing. He has the ambition of creating the perfect balance between being a respected role model and decision maker and relatable to the public. He wants to be the people's prince. I am sure he feels probably fine turning 40, he's got a lot of stuff to look forward to.